We have question 12 here. You're going to decide whether the lengths can form a triangle. So the rule that we learned from class, for any triangle to be made, this has to be true. The smaller side plus the other small side has to be equal to the large, oh, not equal, it has to be greater than, okay, the small side plus the other small side has to be greater than the large side here. Okay, so this is the large, 15 is the large, this is the small, this is the small. So let's check. 12 plus 9 is greater than 15. Let's see if that is true. What is 12 plus 9? That is 21. 21 is greater than 15. This is true. Since it is true, it can be a triangle. Can be formed. Can be formed. All right. So let's do B. Same thing here. This is your small one. 5 centimeters is your small. 10 is your small. 15 is your large. So we do 5 plus 10 has to be greater than 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. Is 15 greater than 15? This is false. So no triangle can be made. Okay, there you go. And then C, what is the possible length of a three-sided triangle given the sides are 9 and 10? Wow, there are actually two answers here, okay? It depends on if that third side is the longest or not, okay? So there are two answers that we're going to put as a compound inequality. Let me draw the triangle here. All right, here's the first one, and here's the other one, okay? The two measurements are 9 and 10, okay? So here we can know that the third side, okay, is the small one, okay? So this can be X, then we have our 9, then we have our 10. Here, the third side is going to be the largest, okay? So it can be X here, and the other two would be 9 and 10. All right. So here we can just solve, right? We do the same one. Small plus small has to be greater than the large. So X plus 9 has to be greater than the large, which is 10. So minus 9 to both sides. You get X has to be greater than 1. Then this side, 9 plus 10 has to be greater than X. So this has 19 is greater than X. Or you can write this as X is less than 19. So the answer would be the compound. It would be both of them. So X has to be greater than 1. Do you see that? X has to be greater than 1. But X has to be less than 19. Okay. This is the answer. These are the possible answers. X has to be greater than 1, but less than 19. Okay. So the shortcut is that, take a look. All you have to do is do 9 minus 10. That's going to get you your 1. Okay, 9 minus, sorry, not 9 minus 10. It is 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, okay? And this one is the easy, this is also easy. You do 9 plus 10. We'll get you this one, okay? So that's a little shortcut for you.